Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use with a PIR mount in the rear of this Chrysler Pacifica to lift a wheelchair into the left side of the rear cargo area. So the unique thing about the PIR mount is that it allows you to basically be able to use all of the seats. So these seats both go back down into the floor, use it with the Stow and Go technology as they normally do. Zero modification to the vehicle, no holes drilled in the vehicle. We use all existing holes. We also supply a Chrysler sill plate so that if you go to restore your vehicle later on, you take your original sill plate and use it to bring the vehicle back to 100% normal. So once we get all the way up here, I'm going to bring you right in and show you how it works. So we simply guide the wheelchair into that area. Set the wheelchair down. Now these belts right here, they're not wheelchair tie downs. They're simply there to keep the wheelchair stabilized from rolling around while the vehicle is in motion. So we're simply going to cinch those a little bit. Obviously, they're not there for being used by, while there's a user in the chair. That's not what their intention is. It's just to give you a way to keep it from moving around too much. Okay, and again, we've got this seat that is fully up. We've got storage in this area. We've got the multi-lift, which can be used to lift you into the front of the vehicle, or many, many other options in your home, your swimming pool, wheelchairs, boats, things like that. So now we're in place right here. Simply put a little tension on there to keep that unit from moving around, and we're ready to hit the road. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/accessun. Follow us on Twitter at AccessUN, or on Instagram at Access Unlimited, Pinterest at Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our website for contacting us is www.accessunlimited.com, and you can also give us a call the old-fashioned way, Eastern Standard Time in the United States at 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem. If that's a convenient time for you, it's convenient for us at 1-615-873-0518. We hope you like what you've seen. Please check out the notes and this is other detailed videos that we have in the notes field down below, and that'll give you much more information about the product, the installation, and other views of using the product and other ways that it can be used. Have a great day, and thank you for taking the time to watch our video.